Another sunny day across our area, but elevated fire danger is expected tomorrow.
Yeah, Chief Meteorologist Tim Pendages joins us now with more. So a weather impact alert tomorrow.
There is, the increased fire danger, the combination of gusty winds coming in behind a cold front tonight and very low humidity. It's low out there now, but it's going to get even lower tomorrow as winds shift out of the west to northwest. Dew points will likely be down into the 30s, so that presents the risk of some increased fire danger 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. So avoid outdoor burning for tomorrow. Here's a look at those wind gusts for tomorrow. Coming in out of the west to northwest, getting quite blustery in the afternoon, especially gusts over 25 to maybe 30 miles an hour. This evening, it is just gorgeous out there. It was a fantastic day. We're in the mid 70s still with those winds out of the south-southwest, and that helped boost those temperatures above normal today. And look at the dew points. They are low already in the low 40s. They will fall further behind this front that's off to the north and west. Not a ton of moisture with it. There are some showers getting squeezed out over the mountains right now, and we may see an isolated one or two overnight tonight, but it's not going to be enough to really soak things up and, present the lower fire risk for tomorrow. So that's not something we're going to worry about. Here's a look at this evening. Temperatures falling down into the 50s. Won't be terribly chilly tonight, down into the mid 50s with that isolated shower chance. And then for tomorrow, the front's gone. Sunshine returns, breezy, sunny, and dry, back in the low 70s.